South Africa's Bafana Bafana are closing in on a place at the 2025 Africa Cup of Nations as head coach Hugo Broos names his preliminary squad for the final qualifying matches in November. With 2 games left, Bafana Bafana need just 2 points to secure their spot, setting up a crucial month for the national team. Currently second in Group K, Bafana Bafana have managed 2 wins and 2 draws from 4 games, putting them on solid footing. However, they missed an early opportunity to clinch qualification after a 1-1 draw against Congo Brazzaville in September. Now the team looks ahead to their November fixtures, knowing that a strong finish will be essential. Bafana Bafana's campaign resumes on 15 November when they face Uganda, the current group leaders, with 10 points. The match, which takes place away, promises to be a test of both strategy and resilience as Broos' squad tackles their toughest group opponent. Just 4 days later, on 19 November, Bafana Bafana will wrap up their qualifiers at Captain's DHL Stadium with a home game against South Sudan. Broos has called up a range of talent, including the steady presence of Ronwen Williams and Ricardo Goss among the goalkeepers, signaling his intent to field an experienced squad as the team prepares. South African fans will be watching closely, hopefully that Bafana Bafana can book their ticket to the continent's biggest football tournament. Hugo Broos' preliminary squad: the goalkeepers are Ronwen Williams, Ricardo Goss, Sage Stephens, Sipho Chaine; the defenders Sydney Mobi, Nkosinathi Sibisi, Thabiso Sisana, Bradley Cross, Aubrey Modiba, Fawaz Basajan, Thabang Matuluti, Mtobi Mvala, Siyabonga Ngezana, Roshwin Dotli, Khuliso Mutau, Grant Kekana; the midfielders Teboho Mokoena, Talente Mbatha, Jaden Adams, Luke Lee Roo, Batusi Obas, Ndamulelo Maphangule, Sinoxolo Kwayiba; the forwards Everton's Makgopa, Tsegofaso Mabasa, Elias Mokoena, Yanele Mbuthuma, Devin Titus, Ikram Reyners, Relebohile Mofokeng, Tabelo Morena, Mihlali Mayambela, Sipho Mbule, Bongokhule Hlongwane, Percy Tau, Ashley Cupido. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.